Hello everyone, hope all are fine. Today I will discuss about three functions SUMIF and SUMIFS. SUMIFs used for single criteria and SUMIFs used for multiple criteria. Okay, let's do the start. At first equal sum. Then here number 1, number 2, number 3. This one I can select a range and then click enter. Then drag and drop right side. That is one method for sum function. Another method, you can select those cells and go on to sum function. Third method, you can select this and press Alt then equal. You can use this method for sum. Now go on sum if function. Equal sum if. At first range, then criteria, then sum range. Range means this column. Then criteria, this cell, then sum range, this column. Enter. Same as for price, equal sum if range then criteria, then sum range. This total quantity for apple and total price for apple. If you select banana, banana, it will change automatically. Okay. Now going on sum if function. SUMIFs used for multiple criteria. Suppose product and region. Okay, now equal SUMIFs. At first sum range, quantity, then criteria range 1, then criteria 1, then criteria range 2, then select criteria 2. Press enter. Same as for price. SUMIFs function, then sum range, criteria range 1, then criteria 1, then criteria range 2, then criteria 2. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is for criteria range 2. This is selected, criteria range 2, then enter. Okay.